Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're working in the 2018 and up Jeep Cherokee. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Security Gateway Module bypass device. This is required in order to program the BCM or any of the ECUs in the 2018 and up Jeep Cherokee. Very easy to do. Basically you have to pull out the radio. Behind the radio there's two connectors. Basically all you have to do is disconnect those two connectors, plug them into the bypass, and then you can plug whatever tool you're using, whether it's an OBD Genie tool or other tool, into the OBD2 port underneath your knee bolster, your driver's side knee bolster, and you can program the specific ECU that you want. Again, that's for 2018 and up Jeep Cherokee, so let me show you how to install it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is remove the lower center stack here. You can use a dash pry tool, or you can just kind of muscle it from underneath. So you just basically pop that out. There's a little connector behind it. So you just press in the tab. You can remove it. Then there's two Phillips head screws here at the bottom of this bezel. You can go ahead and remove those two screws. Then you can just muscle out the bezel. It's only held in with two screws down here. There's a connector behind here. You press the tab in, comes right out. Then there's going to be four screws that hold in your radio. Again, Phillips head or 7mm. You can disconnect all these connectors here if you want, or you can just set it down. But basically, this is your security gateway module right here. You're going to see two connectors on the bottom side of it. Now the tabs to depress the connector to pull it out is on the opposite side. So you have to kind of reach behind, press that tab in, and then remove the connector. So you got to finagle it a little bit. It's a little tricky. But once you do it, you just unplug these two. Then you're going to plug it into your bypass. Make sure it's seated in and you hear it click. That completes the install procedure for the Security Gateway Module bypass device. Now we can program whatever ECU we want, or the ECU that we desire in this vehicle. When we're done, we just disconnect these two connectors, plug it back into your Security Gateway Module, put everything back together, and that's it.